How to fix account temporarily unavailable in OneXBet. First of all, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable network can prevent the app from properly connecting to the server, which might trigger this error. Try switching to a different network or restarting your router to see if it resolves the issue. Next, clear the app cache and data. Go to your device settings, find the app manager, and select OneXBet from the list. Tap on storage, then clear both cache and data. This helps remove any corrupted files that could be causing the problem. After that, make sure the app is updated to the latest version. Open the official website and check if an update is available for the OneXBet. If there is, update the app and relaunch it to see if the issue is fixed. If you are still facing the problem, try reinstalling the app. Uninstall it completely from your device, then download and install it again. This can often fix bugs and issues that updates alone can't solve. Finally, if none of these steps work, contact OneXBet support directly through their official website or in-app support option. They can check your account status and give you the exact reason why it's temporarily unavailable. And that's it. Now you know how to fix account temporarily unavailable in OneXBet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.